The wait is over for your perfect family home. Welcome to 2212 142 Avenue in the heart of Bannerman, where you're going to want to take this tour with me, Karen Stanko with Remax, in this stunning bi-level that is perfect for any growing family. It's immaculate, upgraded, and it offers an ideal blend of comfort, style, and location. This home has 3 bedrooms above grade, hardwood throughout, and many additional upgrades such as newer windows, vinyl plank flooring, upgraded stainless steel appliances. It has its own dining room and 3 spacious bedrooms on the upper level. The hardwood continues throughout the main floor into the large primary bedroom. It is on a spacious corner lot. The primary bedroom also has a 2-piece ensuite. Moving on through, there are 2 additional spacious bedrooms with plenty of closet space for any growing family or for a work and home style of living space. There's a double detached garage to finish this stunning property. The bathroom was recently fully renovated, the 4-piece bathroom on the main floor. Moving on to the fully finished basement, there is also newer carpet down here, lots of natural light coming through those huge windows, a spacious family room to complete the package. So there's plenty of room for a growing family to live in. There's also a large bedroom on the lower level and a 2-piece ensuite that can easily be made into a 3-piece or a 4-piece bathroom. The laundry was upgraded, and what's great about this property is it has 2 stairwells going into the basement. So to make this into a suite would be very easy if you are an investor or looking for a mortgage helper in the basement. This property has been owned by only a couple of owners and has been meticulously maintained. As you move on outside, the roof is newer and you are situated within walking distance of Edmonton's expansive river valley. Only 2 blocks away, the river valley and all its trails is waiting for you. There is also schools and transit near this home and a large park. So it is bright and spacious and has everything that you might want in a family home, and is got over 1,100 square feet of above grade livable space. Make this yours today. Don't wait any longer. Karen Stanko with Remax. Thanks for joining me on this tour today.